The Olympics, an event that unites the world in celebration of athletic excellence. From ancient Greece to the global stage of today, the Olympics have become a symbol of peace, competition, and international unity. The story begins in Olympia, Greece, where the first Olympic Games were held in 776 BC. These ancient games were dedicated to the gods, with athletes from various Greek city-states competing for honor and glory. Fast forward to 1896. The modern Olympics were revived in Athens, Greece, thanks to the vision of Baron Pierre de Coubertin. The Games featured 13 nations and 43 events, marking the birth of the Olympics as we know them today. Over the years, the Olympics have traveled across the globe, from the snowy peaks of Chamonix in 1924, where the first Winter Olympics took place, to the vibrant cities of Tokyo, Los Angeles, and Sydney. Each city brings its own culture and spirit to the Games, leaving behind a legacy of unforgettable moments. Icons are born at the Olympics. Jesse Owens shattered records and defied racism in Berlin, 1936. The 1968 Mexico City Games saw a powerful stand for civil rights. And who can forget Muhammad Ali lighting the torch in Atlanta, 1996? Recent years have seen the Olympics push boundaries in technology and sustainability. London 2012 dazzled with its innovation. Rio 2016 brought the vibrancy of Brazil to the world, and Tokyo 2021, delayed by a global pandemic, showcased resilience and determination. The Olympic journey continues in Paris this 2024, celebrating the centenary of the last Paris Games with a blend of tradition and modernity. The Winter Olympics head to the stunning landscapes of Milan Cortina in 2026. Then, in 2028, the Summer Games will happen in Los Angeles, promising a spectacle of entertainment and sport like never before. From its ancient roots to its modern grandeur, the Olympics are more than just games. They're a celebration of human potential, shared experiences, and the future of global unity. What's your favorite Olympic moment? Was it a record-breaking performance, a powerful act of unity, or a hometown hero shining on the world stage? Let us know in the comments below.